Per Víctor, Enrique.
Hello, hello, and welcome once again to Live Darts Iceland. We're in Keflavik, or we're in Reykjavik, or we're in a shopping centre at the top floor. Today, we're in 4 different destinations. Hello, gentlemen.
Hello.
They can all hear me, which is exciting stuff, which means I'm not going to be doing as much talking as perhaps I usually would. But just to explain how things are going to be working today, it's doubles. Matty and Peter are playing up against Vitor and Halli, 4 excellent darts players. There is a case to say the top 4 in the country, but that's a bit controversial, so I won't go into that. Who's going to be victorious? Best of 11 today. So whoever gets to 6 legs wins. As far as I'm aware, it's 501 straight in, double out. If you are watching us from all around the world, hello and welcome. Pleasure to have you here today, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. I know life isn't exactly exciting at the moment, but hopefully we'll have a little bit of fun, bring you some light relief as we like to do here at Live Darts Iceland. A couple of practice darts, and then we're going to be throwing for the bullseye first, and then we'll be...
Ja, jag tror att det är tillbörligt. I'm ready. Jag får lägga. Outside.
So that was Peter with the blue background, the Winmore blue background outside the 25.
Oh, outside. Where am I?
And Vitor outside.
Outside.
Outside. Det med kasta på ner lite. Är det där outside?
There we go. At long last, it's Vita's team to throw first. Game on.
Game on. Best of luck, guys.
Best of luck.
Best of luck, guys.
Är vi börjar?
Ja, det är det.
Imorgon. Ja, vi börjar.
Kör vi det. Lotta Piller.
Good start there from Vita. Time 40.
Oh, I guess.
Forty.
Come in.
60. Wow.
60.
Yep.
$100.
$80.
Good cover shooting.
Five select.
Excellent darts. 151. The score to get.
$59.
$26.
Unlucky Peter missing on the outside. So Vitor will be throwing. 92 left.
92 left. Yeah. Ooh.
Good effort, Beats. Unlucky.
Come on, there.
So Matty needing double 10. Let's take the first leg.
Come on. Oh,
Give it.
$15.
One seems to want it.
Right? 15. 15. 15.
Yeah, we'll get it. You.
Here you go.
Whoa. Check. Second down.
Good darts, Vita. Started off with a 140. Pins double 4, second dart. When he needed it.
Yeah.
Vita and Halley take the first leg.
Come on.
$55.
That was a ghost 55 because I had the wrong board up.
$60. Wow.
$40.
Right, I've just figured out how to see who's throwing. A little bit slow from the technology, but there we go. A ton there from Matty.
$42.
43.
That's one more than Vita just got.
Done.
Atla.
Wow.
Yes. 29.
$58.
51.
So Matty needs 158 to level things up.
Oh. Look at that.
$140.
Very decent throw there. Leaves them with 44. But Peter needs 100.
$40.
Well, it's gone tops tops. You can understand why.
Check out, second that.
Amaticoso.
Aleus, I love you.
And the second dart
My pleasure.
for Hallie. And they're now 2 zip up. This is Live Darts Iceland, by the way, our equivalent to the PDC's darts at home. Which you may have seen doing the rounds.
$93.
Wow.
60.
Yep. 23.
$45.
5.
Wow.
$57.
Well, Hallie is thinking straight. 303 went downstairs first.
$57.
Nice. 81.
Huge score.
Oh. Sorry.
Well, it'll take a magician to check this out. Is Halley the magician we think he is? Can he take 165? I don't think so.
99.
But
Okay.
a very good visit.
$121.
Brilliant visit there, Peter.
56 left.
66 left for Vita. Well,
Oh.
What's the money
56.
worth now?
second dart might have been a bit too close for comfort. Oh, not far away. Couldn't be much closer than that. Halley needs tops.
Tops it is.
And tops it is.
Tomata.
Halley and Vita are now 3-0 up.
Yeah.
As Matty says, still time.
Wow.
Ignore the poor camera changing by me. Vita is up.
36.
$96.
$60.
Solid.
Oh my God.
Good darts, Matty.
$81.
And a good visit there as well.
Oh my goodness. 26.
Ah, 140.
Wally.
Good darts. Disappointed not to get the full one, but decent enough.
Wow.
$44.
Well, this would be one way to take their first leg of the game. A Shanghai on 20s. Unlucky.
100.
$40.
Over. Live.
And there it is. The first leg for Matty and Peter. Third dart, double 10.
Come on. The code is right.
Sixty.
Sorry.
$41.
$85.
Oh, I'm not gonna.
Good darts, good darts.
Ah, 140.
Again, 140. Still a valiant effort.
$100.
$85.
Nice last dart. Gets them under a ton. So Halley needing 91.
Ooh, 75.
Wasn't a million miles away. Very good effort.
It went away.
Peter 193 lane.
$87.
First start, check.
Of course it was first dart. When does Vita ever miss?
Robbie.
Beautiful use of that treble 19, Matty.
Wow. 90.
Coach is there.
Yeah, tak.
$81.
$60.
Solid.
Two back-to-back visits with lots of big trebles.
$140.
Brother.
Well, that was a good visit from Vita. Could this be amazing from Peter?
$83.
$57.
Major.
Matty needing 81 to make it 4-2.
Am I?
Not far away. Got that treble 12 just inside the 13s. There.
Uh, 64.
Nine.
So Halley needing 90 to go 5-1 up.
$65.
Oh no, proud of that. Am I?
Tutto toffee.
Yep.
25 remain.
Wow.
20.
A rare miss for Vito Charua.
Oh,
So Peter is in the madhouse.
I love the madhouse.
He loves the madhouse. He probably lives in the madhouse, and he got the madhouse. And that is now 4-2 in favor of Halley and Vitor. But it's by no means over. Oh,
59.
69.
there you go. I worked out in the end. It was Vito throwing there.
No, 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 no.
100.
Wat de?
$45.
$2.
81.
Nou, ja, 20 zo.
Good dance. Very good dance.
$45.
$41.
Altijd 83.
No.
Halley's on 1-3-3.
57.
Yep.
And Peter on 1-3-5.
$85.
Very good treble there.
All there.
36.
Just north of double top.
Come on.
No scores.
Okay.
Game, shot. Whoa, shot, 20.
Okay.
Oh, that was game shot. Double 10, very much back in the mix now. Matty advising the cameraman, which is me.
What's the balloon?
140.
Very good visit there. Two big trebles.
$59.
$44.
What? What's that?
$125.
$81.
$28.
Bonjour. Ouais.
How much do we have left?
164, Vita.
164.
Easy for you.
And they have. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I can see it now. Okay. Uh, 82. 84, sorry. 84. 84.
$86.
Hallie going to the board with 80 left.
$48.
Bonjour. Oh.
He certainly wasn't far away. Vitor 32.
Wow. Don't laugh. Damn it. 30. Yeah.
Cosa?
So double top.
Snel.
And double top it is. He likes the madhouse. He likes tops. We're now 4 legs a piece. Best of 11. For those of you who just joined us, this is our equivalent of darts at home. 4 players, 4 destinations, 4 households, should I say. $1 million up for grabs.
43.
And Vitor kicking things off with a 43.
Oh.
So Halley with the darts.
$60.
Peter.
95.
$59.
59.
Matti, it was 95.
Oh, a scoring discrepancy. Very well spotted.
$59.
45.
$59.
Matti, comment ça fait en jeu? Alors, c'est moi.
$21.
Got it.
Isaac, blackjack.
Oui. 49.
200 remain.
$77.
Well, we've seen Matty go double-double before.
Alors,
Would you have gone double-double?
$55.
Cosa? Presa. Bella.
Double top to take the lead.
Yes. I can die.
And he's got it. He hits doubles when he needs them, does Peter?
Wait for it.
It's Matty. Game on.
Good.
$26.
Well, 100.
Woo!
Was it?
First one of the night. Well done, Peter.
$60.
$81.
What's it there?
$22.
Good to hear it.
Well. Well,
55.
Well, he's got a checkout or two. Is he going to take the 118? It's Peter with the darts. Not in this visit.
58.
$51.
Well,
51.
So Matty needing 60 for the match. And there it is, the dots. And they came from behind. I was saying.
and wait for it.
Hanging nearly
Okay,
there.
okay.
But Matty said, nah, the game ain't over yet. He knew what he was talking about. Very well done. Matty and Peter are your, what are we calling this series? Yeah, if any of the negatives are about the switching of the cameras, that's my bad. I don't even know what day it is, let alone who's throwing. So, but I think all four boards are very, very good in as much as you can see clearly. So well done, lads. Hope you had fun. Hope you enjoyed watching. I certainly did. And
Yes.
but who enjoyed it more? Let's be honest.
Not me.
The grenade
was me.
self. The grenade set to self-destruct. Well done, lads. But it is Matty and Peter who are the 6-4 victors in today's test series.